When we get to being seniors, it's either use it or lose it. My choice was to become a personal trainer in my 60s so I can inspire other women to achieve their body goals. So I'm Catherine. Let me show you 4 easy exercises you can do to get started on your fitness journey. The best thing, they're for your legs and your booty. Let's get started. Let's start with body squats, my favorite warm-up exercise. Place your feet slightly wider than your hips, point the toes outwards. Lower your body from the hips and knees. When your thighs are parallel to the floor, bring your body back up again. Try to keep your abs braced and feet solid on the floor. One squat is 1 rep. We are doing 10 here. Move on to the static lunge. Your feet are shoulder width apart, hands on hips for balance. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. The front knee aligns with your ankle, the back knee slightly touches or hovers just above the floor. Push off from your front foot, returning to the starting position. This exercise targets all the muscles in the legs and glutes. It's a must for us ladies wishing to tone up our legs. Repeat this movement 10 times and you guessed it, do the other leg. Another favourite, the glute bridge. Starting on the floor with your arms at a 45-degree angle, bridge your hips up by squeezing your glutes and driving your heels onto the floor. Lowering your hips back to the starting position. This exercise targets the glutes, building our booty. It also indirectly targets the other muscles, the quads, the hamstrings and the calves. Squeeze those glutes. And you guessed it, do 10 to 12 reps. Don't forget to squeeze. Well done. And finally, let's do the clamshell. Lie on your side and support your head with your arm. Keep the legs together, bend your knees as you see here. Raise your knee towards the ceiling, keeping the feet together. You keep the body still, we are only moving the knee. Once again, another amazing exercise for the glutes. Do this 10 times and repeat on the other leg. If you do these exercises twice a week, you're on your way to toned legs and glutes. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. That helps me make more videos to inspire your fitness journey.